Hello students, are you preparing for NEET and finding difficult in scoring physics? Don't worry, crack NEET with biology supporting with chemistry. As you know, NEET contains 90 questions from biology, that is total 360 marks, and it is a big score. So, to catch it, to capturize it, focus to NCERT, as NCERT is your backbone. And there are 4 main areas to hit if you want to crack NEET with biology, and that is your NCERT plus 1 plus 2 books contains 4 important areas. You see, the first is all the terms given in your NCERT book, then all the examples we have there, then all the diagrams and tables. Covering all these 4 areas, children, you will increase the possibilities of opting the question in correct manner and scoring maximum, that is 360 marks, that is total 50% of the NEET. So it's easy, do it and support as maximum as you can with chemistry. Your problem of physics to be weak in physics will be solved.